those machines, they have a problem. These two knobs, they seem to pop out and it stops working. So I thought I could put a, let's see, I was drilling some holes into a plastic bottle, and I put it here behind this to I took the front side off, and now it is supposed to hold it in place, those knobs, so they will not pop out. And be careful when you're working, they will shoot out with the springs, and small things will fall down. And also, to make it work now, I need to have a space here. I cannot close it completely. I have a screw here to hold it apart and adjust the tension here. I'm only using 3 screws, I think, in the back. Okay, now I guess I have to show that it works. Let's see if I can find. I cannot close the. Yeah, that's one problem. I cannot use this one anymore. I have to put it here, but who cares? It's a good machine. Let's see, where is it? See, the spokes are turning. I think they will not pop out so far anymore that it will stop working. Hey.